I'm just upload my tada. You need to learn your lesson for what you are saying. Take a look, Mr. Paulo Cruzada. I know for what you have done to Shania Kiana, Joseph Maspinas. You said about in Tagalog, magkikising since kami ni Shania Kiana nakahubad. Magjajakol na ako sa totoch ko. Is this a good manner, Mr. Paulo doing? Oh, take a look. Like I said, hamon ka pa kayo, leche, sipsipin ko ang totoch ko. Joseph Maspinas, wala kang barel. And this one from Paulo Cruzada, sabugin ko ang bahay mo, wala kang tirahan, ginasa ko si Shania Kiana, patayin ko rin. Magigiganti ako sa iyo, Joseph Maspinas. Sunugin ko ang Davao City, ako ang ISIS ng bayan. Oo, gusto ko what's this, Paulo Cruzada, nagkalat ako ng scandal, sipsipin ko ang totoch ko. And then she said before, here's the part, hostage ko si Teacher Kel Pabelo, patayin ko rin siya. Paulo Cruzada, this is very rude. Napakabastos mo, Paulo Cruzada. For what you are saying, that is a cyberbullying. For example, you harass Shania Kiana, you harass Teacher Kel Pabelo, Drita Ziri, Mina Suchoy, including who's that I mentioned, Jessica Lane, Wawel Romero, including Jordan Pilapil, and even my other schoolmates in CDIFI. Is this nice to bully anyone, Paulo Cruzada, even an 18-year-old Shania Kiana? What a shame, Paulo. Like what I'm saying to you, this is really hurt. This is really offended. You're just like Nino Barsaga. You're just like John Dan Ramirez. That was the arch enemy of Terra Francisco. Paulo Cruzada, have a shame of yourself. What if I say this nice to say to Teacher Kel, you want to harass the person? Teacher Kel doesn't know you, Paulo Cruzada. I know Teacher Kel is working very hard. She was still in the US. She earned for her money for her husband, Eskel Penumbra, and her family who were still in the Philippines. That her sister is Barbie Pabelo, and even that her mother of Teacher Kel, even the uncle of Teacher Kel, they want to earn money for their salary as a sped teacher in the US. So what is your suggestion, Mr. Paulo Cruzada? It is nice to harass Teacher Kel? Paulo Cruzada, what if I say to you, if the family members of Teacher Kel had filed the cases against you in court, if they file you a complaint affidavit against you, Paulo Cruzada, that is your consequence and that is your responsibility. I know for what you're saying, I had enough about your fucking death threat or bomb joke. Do you want Teacher Kel to be happen to Emma Natienza, Mr. Paulo Cruzada? Do you really want to be happen to Emma Natienza that she was commit suicide? That was a daughter of Kuya Kim Atienza. The daughter of Kim Atienza, Emma Atienza, was commit suicide in the US. She was very depressed because of cyberbullying. You don't know what is cyberbullying, Paulo Cruzada? And then you bully Joseph Maspinas and Shania Kiana in this evidence. Paulo Paulo Cruzada, you are special. We are all special. Joseph Maspinas was right. May sayad ka sa utak mo, Paulo Cruzada. Is this nice to say? For example, Paulo Cruzada, you said, sasabugin ko ang bahay ni Joseph Maspinas. Is this acting yourself a normal, Paulo Cruzada? You know, Paulo Cruzada, your mother had been told you are a special child. Is this what a special child were saying, a bomb threat? For what you're saying, for example, sasabugin ko ang bahay ni Joseph Maspinas. Paulo Cruzada, you should be in mental hospital together with Nino Barsaga. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are threatening to make a bomb threat. I'm sorry, I upload this in TikTok. I will upload this in my YouTube video. Here's my press con to Paulo Cruzada. Is this nice to say about a good person? And you say the words, you said it, gasain ko si Shania Kiana, pinatay ko rin siya. Paulo Cruzada, rape is not a bail. Remember that. You're really delusional. You are irrelevant. You are defiant or resilient. You are a bully. You are worse than, for example, you are worse than John Dan Ramirez. Is this what you like, to bully anyone, Mr. Paulo Cruzada? Paulo, I've been talking with Jerick Silva in TikTok Live. Jerick says to me in Tagalog, pinag-uusapan ka na, Paulo Cruzada, sa Spedmotics, because the Spedmotics are criticizing against you dahil binabatikos ka na, Paulo Cruzada, because you know you are bullying anyone. And you see, the Spedmotics, they realize you are a crazy, you are an idiot, you are delusional. You are an asshole, Paulo Cruzada. And it's this to be acting yourself normal, and you say, gasain ko si Shania Kiana. This is very offended, Mr. Paulo Cruzada. You are a special child. You are harassing Shania Kiana. She's minor. She's 18. How old was Miggy Labitag? 17. How old was Shania Kiana? 18. You're harassing a minor. What if I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, if someone who filed the cases against you, not even Shania Kiana, not even the family members of Teacher Kel, they will sue against you, Paulo Cruzada. Madidemanda ka pa. That's what I said. You know, Paulo Cruzada, one day, that will be your consequence. I know this is what you're saying. It is not really true. Rape is not a bail, Mr. Paulo Cruzada. That's why for you, Paulo Cruzada, you should be in mental. Together with Nino Barsaga. Doon na lang kayo, Paulo Cruzada. Kayo ni Nino Barsaga. You go to the mental, go to the psychiatrist test. Who is the real good person? Who is the real normal? Sheesh, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame of yourself. Don't even harass my relative, Nanay Ningning there. If you harass Nanay Ningning, Paulo Cruzada, I will shoot you a pellet gun into your eye. Bastos ka, Paulo.